Entertaining sometimes stresses people out, but not when you take a page from Mama D's Greek dinner party book. I'm making a really simple, very elegant, healthy, delicious meal for my good friends. Starting with a roasted cabbage, one of the easiest recipes to make and also one of the most impressive. The first thing we do is cut the cabbage. I like to cut the cabbage into steaks. Savoy cabbage is a little bit fancy. You can also do this with a regular head of white cabbage, cutting it into thick wedges. We're just going to place the cabbage rings on a lined baking sheet. If you have a few loose pieces like this, don't worry about it. You can just strew them around. A little bit of extra virgin Greek olive oil goes over the cabbage. I have two secret ingredients in this dish, and this is the first one. This smoked, flaky Greek sea salt. It smells like barbecue. It's really delicious. I like to just rub it so that the pieces are a little smaller. There's an incredible array of really delicious sea salt in Greece. A little bit of coarsely ground black pepper. There's always a salad course at a Greek meal. This is my salad course. We eat lots of cabbage salads, but this is really unique. This is going right into the oven under the broiler. That's going to take around 15 or 20 minutes to char. I'm going to turn it at some point. This looks awesome. I'm going to let the cabbage cool for a few minutes and get everything ready for the garnish and the dressing. A little bit of fresh rosemary first. Love fresh rosemary. I'm going to save one for garnish and get this chopped, and a little bit of the dill. We do this for both flavor and color, and this cabbage it really is kind of a showstopper. People don't expect the flavor of roasted cabbage to be so unusual and so delicious. Just gonna get that back into the bowl. The next thing is just to whisk together the balsamic vinegar and the olive oil. A little bit of vinegar first. Extra virgin Greek olive oil. I want to get a little sea salt in here. This smoked sea salt. It's very, very flavorful. And a little black pepper. Time to plate this. The pomegranate comes next. This is a beautiful Greek pomegranate. I'm just going to tap this so that all of the seeds come out over the cabbage. Just a little bit of the balsamic and olive oil. We don't want to drench this because the beauty of this dish is those charred leaves and kind of the texture itself. So I think we're good on the dressing. A little bit of lemon zest. I think we're good on that. And a little bit of fresh dill and rosemary. This is totally my idea of a stress-free vegetable course. Voila! Roasted Savoy cabbage with pomegranate seeds, lemon zest, olive oil, smoked sea salt, some herbs, everyday ingredients for an extraordinary salad course.